The surprise box is here. And you know Juju and Belly are with me. And they are so excited. Uh-oh, I see a dang duck. I seen a dang duck. You don't want no ducks? Well, we got ducks in the box. Juju is gonna be happy. He's got him a new weird looking bird. Man, what's up, birdie erdies? Let's see if Juju and Belly are ready. You ready? You ready? Y'all ready to see your babies? Move over. Move over, stay. You gotta get approved. Juju and Belly approved. They always get to see the babies first. Babies! We got babies! New babies! Attention, new babies! Yes, you got your daddy! You got some new puppies? I got some new puppies for y'all! There's some funny looking puppies! Alright, y'all, let me get these guys home safe and warm. God bless y'all, and peace!